Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 18th to 22nd August 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So here I have already opened the chart. Let's now first talk about what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.01% positive move, 3335.66 was the closing Friday. So here I'll be talking about my expectation, and also I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So here let's open a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, if I talk about the candle, you can see a big bearish candle, a body with a big body with a small upper and lower wick. As you can see, a small upper wick and lower wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI, it's in a oversold area, which indicates as a positive move or upside move. But remember, as we always say, you should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here I open the one-day chart and we can see a good amount of important support zones and resistance zone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for more such weekly analysis. Also, here as you can see, I have already marked important support and resistance zone during a previous week analysis. So currently there is no changes in the data. So let's straight talk about the closing. Here 3335.66 is the closing. Here the direct support is 3327.9. Direct resistance is 3350.8. After direct support, there is a support of 3300 and then 3271. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 3375 and then 3403. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take trades on for this week. And also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description with coupon code. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in gold or XAU USD pair. So currently my expectations for coming week is a bit negative. I'm expecting a negative move in this range, that is 3300 to 3327. I'm expecting a closing in this range for this week. If you're looking for any positive move, then only look for a positive trade when 3350 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed above it. Then we can see a move to 3375. Overall, my expectation is negative. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section, and do follow me for more such analysis. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.